Hey friends, if you encounter kernel mode heap corruption blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update drivers and Windows. And how will we do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on advanced options, select optional updates, install all the optional updates, return to the Windows Update page and install all the pending updates. The next solution is to scan for malware. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT to open the malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds to load this application. Click on next, full scan, next and let it run through. The last solution is to check for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.